Achieving clear, glowing skin can significantly boost your confidence, but it requires more than just a quick cleanse and moisturizer. It involves understanding your skin type, whether it's dry, oily, combination, normal, or sensitive, and follow a consistent skincare routine. Start by cleansing your face with a suitable mild cleanser to remove dirt and oil, then test your T-zone with tissue to identify your skin type. Adopt a daily cleansing, toning, and moisturizing routine, adjusting frequency based on your skin sensitivity. Exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week for normal or oily skin, and once or twice for dry or sensitive skin. Always remove makeup before bed. Use toner cautiously and apply moisturizer suitable for your skin type, making sure to include an eye cream for delicate areas. By incorporating these steps into your daily habits, you can maintain radiant skin over time.